Pretty much got all the clinker. I had some real nice clinker yesterday. Ooh, some pretty stuff. Ain't that pretty? Right there's the the head off of that applicator. I beat on it a little bit with a hammer. One with Farmer, if you need that head, you let me know. I'll send that to you. If you're going to inject any nitrogen. I'll make sure you get that. I know it's valuable. Hey, let's get this fire going here. How about I stand you over here so I'm not standing in your way? How about? Clinker? Where there's smoke, there's fire. That's what my mom used to tell me. Clinker? Clinker? I was in high school. Ran quite a few laps around the track, around the football field on that. We need more air, Captain. I'm giving her all she's got. Thank her. We have ignition. We've got a fire. We've got a fire. Now why'd you leave that Allen wrench sitting clear over there on the sander for? Got you right in the smoke. Hope that doesn't bother you. And that is why you wear a leather apron. It's been hard to grind that with the bend in it. That's the temperature here where I can bend it pretty quick. Pipe's ready. Get you over here where you can see what I'm doing. Hold on now, don't fall off. If I do this wrong, you let me know. see if we can make that a little bit sharper of a bend. You need to have your tools out that you're going to use real handy when you're working in the heat of the moment. That's a lot better. See where we're at here. Well, it's getting hot. That's what it's getting. It's getting, handle it with tong hot. It's pretty close to square. Square enough for me anyway. So now we'll work at straightening this out back here some. That looks pretty good to me. That looks pretty good to me. Dress that other end up a little bit. Got a little bit of a bend right about there that it don't have no more. I did all of that work just now using my Nathan Robertson made hammer from Jack Pine Forge. Mighty fine hammer, if I have to say so myself. Well, now it's time to heat treat. Here I've got one of my welding magnets all covered with mill scale because I have it clamped on the anvil to quiet it down a little bit. We'll bring that up to critical temperature to where this magnet won't stick to it. Then we'll douse it in the oil first, see how that works. I've got a little can of used motor oil sitting over here by the forge. But I think that'll fit in. Yeah. I want to bring it up to this temperature nice and slow so that it's a good even heat throughout the whole piece, throughout the whole thickness. I don't know if this is right, but this is what I'm going to do. It's there. Oh, that really smells bad. Now I've got a pretty new made in Mexico file here. Oh yeah. It's not even touching that. So it is hardened. It is hardened. Right on that corner. Look at that. So now we'll clean it off a little bit. And then we'll see if we can temper it. I've got me a piece of 100 grit sandpaper here, using file for a flat surface. Trying to shine that up a little bit so I can see the colors as I'm tempering it. Get this fire stoked up a little bit here. I don't really think you'll be able to see this, but the idea is to heat that up slow and watch the colors work their way up into the metal. There's the straw. I'm going for blue. Real dark brown. Here comes the blue. Yep, I think we'll douse it. Now, I don't know about y'all, but where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you go. I think that looks like an Allen wrench. What do you say we go see how it works? I wonder if I ought to heat that up a little bit and put some beeswax on it. I think I'll do that. Just heat it up just enough to get some beeswax to melt on it. And here is the subject. And oh, that fits in there nice. Oh, that fits in there nice. That worked good. We have success. So that's one for the books. A homemade Allen wrench. That'll probably go in my tool pouch. It travels with the Bergman. I might chop it off a little bit so that it ain't so long. I don't know though, it's pretty nice having all that leverage. That chick there on the left on the perch is the one that hatched out in that video I posted a 3 weeks ago. They're all getting quite big, almost too big to keep in here. Quite curious. What do you think? What they're saying right now is you got food?